it's me. Crazy Rebecca dances with pit bulls. Hey, hey. Today we're going to go through this stuff Marcia gave me. I am rich. Hello. Hey, there's an earring. I hope there's another one in there to add to my collection. Okay. I'm going to pull out what I see here. This is a ring. This is one knotted necklace. Okay. Oh, I love these. There's a name. Magic wire bracelet. I really like that one. So we're going to put bracelets here. Pink shells. I love how those feel. Okay, another magic wire, and that is way cool. It's like green cat's eye, some of them are. Purple necklace. Always need a purple necklace. Blue and brown. That's very classic. Definitely very classic. Oh, it's got a pendant even. Cool. Put this earring here. I like this bracelet. So far, it's all wearable, Marcia. Okay, this is for crafting. And this. So those are going to go over there. Oh, that feels like gemstones. Like that one. I always need a black bracelet. Oh. I like this, but I'm going to put it over here in the jewel pile for future use. Jean Lover. But that goes in Quit Playing Games with My Heart. Another shell bracelet. Okay, what's the deal? Oh, you have to unscrew that one. I like the shapes, the Fibonacci sequence shapes. Yes. If you don't know what the Fibonacci numbers are, you should definitely Google that. They're everywhere in nature. They're very evident right there. The golden ratio. Another one. I love how those feel. I like it a lot. This looks like jade. Faux jade. Okay, necklace. There's a cord. Ooh, oh my goodness. That's almost heart-like. There's one of them statement necklaces. And there's lettering on it. ABCs, really? On glass. Very cool, though. One, two bracelets, just alike. There's a pair of earrings. Over there. Over there. Earring. Earring. Over there. This, I really like this one. 80s. Hello. Another magic loop bracelet. not magic loop. Magic wire. Oh my gosh. I like this one too. Oh, you wear it doubled like that, but I would probably wear it like that. I have a big POA shell. I think I'll put on there. Okay, that's like wrapped or something. Now wait a minute. Now wait a minute. Somebody has 3 ears. Is there another one? Ooh. I might wear this one today. I was telling Becky Milburn yesterday that I put a lot of my bracelets up because I only wear these and I never take them off. She goes, not even when you shower? I said, no, I never take them off. She goes, not even when you sleep? I'm like, listen to me. I never take them off. I never take them off. Oh, there's 2 of these. Very Flintstone looking, but way better. Way better than the Flintstones. Way cool. But these don't turn. They haven't tarnished or anything. Why should I take them off? Why should I hassle with it? I just leave them on. It doesn't bother me. A gold beaded necklace. This is very wearable also. So when I get done with my 365 earrings, maybe I'll do 365 necklaces. Look at this. There's 3 of them. That's actually very cool. This is very cool. Okay, are these? Yes. Earrings. Very moony looking thing. Big black heart earring. Okay, this is gorgeous. Can I put it on? Can she? Nope. Cool. Oh, I hate when we get to the end. Hey, this goes with that ring. That's different. I know, like a ring and a bracelet set. I like how that feels. It's metal. Very cool metal. Metal, metal, metal. Oh! Look, another ladybug pin. That goes with the pins. Here's a heart. It goes with that jeans lover, because you got a little pair of jeans on it. Over here, one buckle, one pendant, another knot thing. Ooh, an arrow pin. A little magic. Oh, there goes my alarm. Ah! Really? Cute, cute. Okay, well, I guess it's time to go. The alarm says it's time to go, so please subscribe. I need friends. Thank you again, Marcia. And we'll be back with more stuff.